Hello guys, this is SHYSKY Tech. In this video, I will briefly introduce a new speed adjustable heavy-duty brushless DC water pump of SHYSKY series. This one, our DC60D-24120A-1 model. This pump, as we see, is a bit heavy, over 1 kilogram on the pump body. Yeah. The rated voltage 24 volts DC and the rated power consumption is about 120 watts. Namely, the rated working current is about 5 amps. Yeah. The max static lift is about 12 meters, about 39 feet, and the max horizontal flow rate can be up to 3,800 liters per hour, about 1,000 US gallons per hour. Okay. Let's take a look at the front side of this pump. This is inlet, this is outlet. As we see, both ports are not threaded, but with external diameter about 2 centimeters. Yeah, 2 centimeters. Inlet, outlet. Here it is the arrow mark here, showing the direction of the water flow when the pump works in the system. Yeah. Here it is the pump's base part. Base part is integrated with the pump body as a whole. Yeah. When at installation, we as users can place some extra buffer material between the base part of the pump and our equipment to reduce the vibration when the pump works. After all, it is a powerful pump, but its weight is not so high. Yeah. This is the tail side. We can take a look. Tail side, coming from the tail side, this is the cable out from the pump body. And then we will see. This is the connector, waterproof connector, which can be removed off when needed. And then this is the rectangle shaped metal box. As always, this is the control box part to the whole pumping system. It is the brain part, since it's the main control and protect circuits are integrated within this box part. Wet installation, pump part can be placed on the water, completely waterproof, and the rectangle shaped control box part is not so suggested. Okay. Then, coming from the control box part, we will see there are two sub-cables. This is the power cord, DC head, female end, inner positive, outer will be negative, DC 24 volts powering. Yeah. And this is the potentiometer knob where it work, where the users can rotate the potentiometer knob to adjust the power and flow and lift value of this pump to flexibly adjust to different systems or with systems with uncertain parameters demands. Okay, it is quite flexible. So it's a brief introduction of these parameters and also the rough performance of this pump. Furthermore, I want to introduce two more good protection mechanisms designed inside this pump. First, this pump is equipped with dry run protection mechanism. Yeah, this pump cannot be self-priming, so it cannot dry run without or with very insufficient water inflow. Otherwise, it could be damaging in certain degree. Equipped with the dry run protection, this negative impact of the dry run scenario, though dry run is always not suggested, will be greatly reduced, since the pump will detect the dry run situation by itself when it happens, and then it will reduce the rotation speed in great way. It will access the circle of run for a while and then stop, run for a while and then stop to greatly reduce the rotation speed, to sharply reduce the physical friction and the heat generated. Then, about this pump, it is designed with constant power performance when the powering voltage, the real powering voltage exceeds 24 volts DC power. Yeah, but still within about 28 or even 30 volts DC. This pump can handle this over voltage situation, though it is not suggested. Yeah, and the pump's power level will be kept almost equivalent when the powering voltage rises from 24 to 28 or even 30. Yeah. This can help preserve the stability and reliability of the inner circuit of pump work as a whole. Very good function for a lot of systems. Furthermore, this pump supports soft start, yeah, and it has quite a good or various other nice features, enabling it fit for a lot of micro to medium circulation, cooling, or gardening fountain systems. If you're interested, you can take a further look at this SHYSKY DC60D-24120A-1 model, a heavy-duty pump.